Hey, welcome to the Daily Dose. Let's dig into it. So are pitch decks still a thing? Well, I will tell you, every single investor that I know wants to still see a pitch deck. So pitch decks and business plans are alive and well. Don't think that you're going to get over and that they don't exist anymore because, and a pitch deck is more than just for investors, right? A pitch deck can be a product pitch deck too, to where you're pitching your product. But the thing is take that pitch deck and adapt it to today a little better and put that pitch deck into a very engaging, super engaging video sales letter. And that will do you far more than any PowerPoint slide deck that you'll ever put together. VSLs are a great way to get a pitch deck more attention, all right? So I hope that was helpful. We'll see you on the next dose. I hope you found this video useful. Follow me right here on YouTube for more great content daily. Download my international best-selling book, Be Good, Be Brief, Be Gone, for absolutely free at growfast.club. I say again, download my book at growfast.club for all of my 7-figure growth hacks. Get your copy now while it's still free.
There it is. Magnum. Holy moly.
Yeah, baby! That's what I've been waiting for!
Dear God. It's beautiful.